Hi, this is netgadgets.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you a BB gun. It's called the P698. It's an airsoft gun, a small handgun, and this is how it comes in its packaging. So it comes with a small packet of 0.12 gram BBs. This is the pistol itself. All plastic, like I said. It's a small handgun, very light. It's got a small magazine, and this is how you undo it. So push this button in here. That will slowly release it, and you pull it out. This is the magazine. You pull this down to load. When you get to the bottom, you hook it on, and then you place your BBs in. This is what the magazine looks like once it's full. You then just place the magazine into the gun like this, snap it shut. And there it is. Now, there is no safety in this gun, so you need to be very careful you don't shoot it around anybody, or be careful with the trigger. This is for 18 plus only. Load the gun like this, put in the barrel back. Now we're loaded and we're ready to shoot. That is accurate. As we can see, this is the P698 and this is a real fun gun to shoot.